What's going on, everybody? So like I told you in the last video, we were gonna do salmon, and I'm telling you, why don't you take a look at this amazing Alaskan salmon. This isn't no went down to the H-E-B Walmart got salmon. This is straight from Alaska. So let's go ahead and get this cut open. Would you take a look at that? Oh, this is gonna be amazing. And with this recipe, we're not gonna get crazy with it. We're gonna go with the Killer Hogs AP rub, and then I gotta give a shout out to Proud Souls Barbecue here in Kansas City. Labor Day weekend, they had this awesome sale, 50% off on all their seasonings. And I got this Spanglish Asadero savory surf and turf. All right, and yeah, we're gonna give it a try. So like I said, I'm not worried about the bottom of this at all. The skin side, I'm not worried about it. So we're just gonna go with a light coat of this Killer Hogs AP. And then with this Spanglish Asadero, we're gonna, and I hope I said it right, we're gonna go with a decent little coat of this. And that's gonna be it for as far as the season's going here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this at 325, and it's probably gonna take us 20-30 minutes. I'm looking for about 132 internal. So like I said, I'm gonna let this sit while the pit gets heated up, and we're gonna get this salmon on here. And I'm telling you, if you get a chance to eat Alaskan salmon, you gotta eat it. All right, so we got it off the grill, and let me tell you what, it looks amazing. So when I was taking it off, it kind of already broke a little bit, which is good because then I don't have to worry about it. But let's go ahead and try this. Nice and flaky. I always notice because you can see like the little different flakes in there, but man, that's Alaskan salmon. You can't get that. The Atlantic salmon, all that, you cannot get fresh Alaska salmon. That Spanish Asadero on there with the Killer Hogs AP rub. That good eating right there. Look, this is amazing. I love salmon, but when I was stationed in Alaska, I lived over there for 3 years, and I get to the point where, because I ate so much fresh Alaskan salmon, I couldn't eat salmon anywhere else. Like I said, we took the trip up there, got some of it, and I am so glad because my Alaskan wife, who's our little, let's give a shout out to Ariel over here. She's our little video person for us. Like I said, this is amazing. She loves it, and she gonna be happy here in a little bit. She gonna love this eating. But guys, I appreciate it. Like I said, guys, let me know in the comments if there's something that you want me to cook. I'll cook it. I'm about to start a new series where we take all these TikTok recipes and see what we can do on our version of it. So like I said, if there's something that you want, put it in the comments and we'll cook it.